told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Babe, if me ever give you one joke, you wouldn't believe it. You hear me talk a while ago on a record, right? Yeah. You know my camera never did a record. Life of a YouTuber. I was talking for about 15 minutes and the camera never did a record. So me stop and look if I me cut the camera by accident. And me call my sister in another record. Oh my. And me end up calling my sister to ask her for confirmation. And she agree in another thing that when me think did a record. Anyways, here we go again. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So I'm back. I miss you guys. I mean, no one miss me. I'm say, you know what better way to start out? Let me give you a day in my life. Make a vlog so we can, you know, chat and catch up on stuff. Most of them might know, but I wasn't well. I had very bad belly pain, back pain, joint pain, and I had a very high fever. Back pain is still there, but the best part is the back pain not constant. So the back pain is an on and off thing. So me with the ear so good now. I talk with you now and bend down for take up something and the back pain grab me, shock me. Feel like lightning in my back. And I have to stay in that position there until the pain wear off and then I can carry on. The only thing I really like take medication because when I wake up in the morning my eyes always full of matter. I just feel stick up and I get a whole heap of mouth water like my jewel TMI. Jewel really hard anytime I take like DPH, pain medicine and whatever. I never because it really knocked me out and make me sleep. So probably that. But yeah, I'm taking some medication and I am much better and it feels so good to be recording again. So that's what did happen to me. And you guys saw the title and me know so that's why I want to reach fast. Anyways, my sister is having a baby, a girl baby. Yeah, I think I did a record a while ago, so I called her to confirm if I could tell you guys, and she did say yes. Unfortunately, we're not going to hear when time to confirm because I think I did a record a while ago, but I don't know my big pan people privacy, so I had to ask her before I put it out. But you really want her to have a boy baby, but it look like I'm here to go carry the boy them come. You hear me, God? Yeah, I'm here to go carry the boy them come because she have another girl baby. So yeah, I want to start for like shop for your baby and stuff like that. You know, like cute headband, cute little shirt was say auntie da 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 da, auntie this, auntie that, yeah. So I don't know, I love kids. Anyways, even though I know one boy, babies are a blessing, I'm still happy for her and I'm happy for my niece and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff to get done. While me is sick, you know, Jason did that do when him do like him did that cook, wash up the dishes and stuff like that, but now I'm better. I want to do like a deep clean. When if you go to the supermarket, there's just so much stuff to get done. So I have my to-do list. I need to go to the dressmaker, I need to alter some jeans what I have. I need to comb Jason's hair, I need to go to the market, I need to go to the supermarket. And I have one package for go collect. I need to walk around in the house and see what I have. So when I go to the supermarket, I not spin and twist and turn, because when I do that, you end up take up unnecessary stuff. And trust me, I don't have money for that, for unnecessary stuff. Start with the cover there and write them down. After not in here, so. Oh, and we need to take up the water bottle them. So every time we go to supermarket, we always forget to take up the Catherine Peak bottle them. You know what end up happening? We end up have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 under here, so 5 and 2 are 7. Because we always forget to take up the bottle them, so we always have to end up buy one. So now me gotta remember to take them up. So we always keep 3 with Catherine Peak water, and then we keep 3 with normal water. Like if water gone, we can like do the dishes and you know. So yeah, guys. I go do what I have to do and then come back. We have to hurry up come back because we don't eat no breakfast from morning. So when we do the local shopping, we come home and we make breakfast. Back home, but my shop did full. You just pack up and I say, you know, I'm just do what I do and come out. So right now, I go change off into something comfy and then come back, come pack out the stuff them. And also, I go cook some food, I go cook some for my pear. Before me even say nothing, let me look for my pear. Hold on there. Because I have my man found this too long. Alright, then that's all for. Yeah, found them. So I'm gonna cook some curry chicken back and white rice. Oh my, love that. We take chicken back over like chicken. Well, I see them chicken, but when I get what me I say, like leg, thigh, breast and them something there. Give me a chicken back any day, anytime. And I'm gonna put a little piece of breast in it for Jason, because I know Jason will do the whole bone thing, but me love my bone chew it. Comment in the comment section and let me know if you want to chew on the bone, because I did have one poll one time on Instagram and these people comment like them not chew bone or nothing like that. Listen, me love my bone. Anyways, I'm gonna change off into something comfy and come back. And now I'm gonna clean up the chicken back for start cook. I never shown you the whole process of me packing out and stuff like that, because Jason came back and come give me a helping hand, but he just want to move fast, so I could have come start make dinner. Plus I want to edit this video when I finish cook. I have my little scandal when I get from the supermarket. Well, I guess them change what them used to make the bag because it looked thin and stuff like that. So I guess them I say it's safe now. Anyways, I have my bag to put my chicken skin in, and we're gonna start cleaning up the chicken back. Right? Right. And I take out the little breast for Jason. So let me work on that first. When I clean up chicken, I have to have me So I'm take them out. Lime, vinegar, and my bleach for wipe down back same time. So you see the supermarket when I used to go. You see the supermarket when I used to go, I'm going there go see them have seasoned up chicken back. Not knock it, but I love to season my own meat and clean it up too. Especially clean up. Come scratch my neck for me and also turn off the camera. My neck really scratch me. Hurry. Looks so clean and nice. If you don't ever know what happened to me a while ago, my camera dropped for the first time. Like it get a hard drop. Anyways, I'm gonna season up now. So this is a mixed season. Pepper flake, Maggi, just normal season. Use any season you have, and curry. I have some better pop curry in this. Alright, so now that's out the way, I'm gonna cut up some garlic, put on the pot and burn my curry. I don't have no blend up green seasons. I probably should have blended it up on camera, but it's not hard. You just get all your season them and blend them up together and put it in a container and then put it in the fridge. Normally I put scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, sometimes pimento seed, sometimes because I not everything I add pimento seed to. And you know I have to draw for the good old Dutchy pot. I really take care of that pot here because it was gifted to me by my mom. The place where I did shopping today, really convenient. The only thing I not live near today, so that's the only reason why I not always shop there. But anytime that I find the time and I can drive go there, I always go there because it's convenient. What I normally do is just add some stuff to the chicken to make it go and cook down with, you know, just to get some flavor, and then I go in back and season it up the right and proper way. So right now I have some scallion and some thyme in this, plus I have some garlic I'm gonna burn with the curry. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some water to it now, and of course a warm water I use because I remember when I read the comment section, I want to say me for ensure some I use warm water or hot water for not slow down the cooking process. So that me just use. Alright, so I'm gonna make that one cook. I'm gonna make that one cook down while I prep the vegetables for going at it. So let us get that done. Hey, every time something splash out, me have to wipe down the place, you know, with bleach. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now is just to taste it to see if it wants any more salt or powder season, and that's something I did have to learn the difference for when it want powder season or salt, because sometimes it don't need no more powder season. Sometimes all it needs is a little toops of salt to make the flavors them, you know, come together real nice. So I'm gonna taste the gravy right now. I really not like that part here because I don't like it. I don't know, I just want to taste it one time and that's when it done. But just to see if it have enough salt and pepper, so I can just, you know, put what I put in it and then make it go and cook down some more. Then I'm gonna put on the rice. I need more pepper. I did end up finding one pepper. I don't put too much in it because you say the pepper here black. I don't know if you know nothing about them black pepper here. Them really hot. But I'm gonna put one little bit, a little piece more in there. Little teeny piece more. Curry for half pepper. But I don't want too much to the point where I have a problem to eat my food. So I'm gonna clean up back my workstation. Because when I'm in the kitchen, clean as you go. So when you're done cook, you don't feel frustrated. I don't know which part to start clean from. Dinner is ready. This is Jason's dinner with the chicken breast. Babe, come.
Come in.
I'm gonna share my dinner right now. Ooh, yeah. Babe, can't miss out, man. That was really good. I'm gonna wash it down with some pineapple syrup. My belly full right now. The clips them still are sent off, so I'm gonna start edits so you guys can get this video tomorrow. Bye guys.